Bonjour tout le monde! Welcome back to Learn French with Nat. So in this video, we're going to go over 4 very common French-Canadian colloquialisms, that's a hard word, but that you'll most likely recognize, but might confuse you. These are Faque, Coudon, Enwoye, Pantoute. Did you guys recognize any of those? Are they a little confusing? If so, stick around and watch the video. I'll try to explain them to you. Alright guys, so welcome back. So like I mentioned in the intro, we're going over 4 French-Canadian colloquialisms, okay? These are very often used in day-to-day speech, and often people aren't sure what they mean and don't really know how to use them in a sentence, okay? So as I mentioned, these are used in very informal conversation with somebody you know very well. These are not words you would write in a school report and an office report, okay? These are very conversational. And even they're not real words. Often they're deformation of words, so they're just a sound, okay? So I'll write them down for you, but you could never write these down in a report, okay? You can maybe do it in a text with a friend, but these are not real words. They're deformation of words, okay? So let's get started. So the first one is Pantoute. Pantoute, okay? So apparently this is a contraction or a deformation of pas du tout or pas en tout, okay? But the way it's said is Pantoute, okay? And what this means is absolutely not, no way, okay? This is what we're expressing with this word. So for example, if you put it in a sentence, if somebody asked somebody, est-ce que t'aimes l'hiver? Do you like winter? Est-ce que t'aimes l'hiver? Pantoute. Pantoute, okay, it means no way, not at all. And if you want to express really no way, then you would say pas pantoute, like you put a pas in the front, okay? Pas pantoute, pantoute, okay? It basically means no way, okay? So that's the first one. The second one is envoyer. Envoyer can also be said envoyer. I usually hear it as envoyer, okay? So this is used as an interjection in a sentence, usually inviting somebody to do an action. Really, what I think we're trying to tell somebody is like, let's go, hurry up, okay? Envoyer, okay? This is a deformation of envoyer, but it makes no sense, the deformation. It's become its own beast. And really what it means, it's let's go. So if you want to say, let's go, hurry up, you would say, envoyer, dépêche-toi, envoyer là. I mean, let's go. Envoyer, dépêche-toi, okay? Envoyer, hurry up, okay? So that was the second one. The third one is Coudon. It could either be Coudon or Coudonc, okay, depending on you, on the tradition of the family, the neighborhood, what you learned, okay? Both are evenly said, okay? This is a deformation of écoute donc. Écoute donc, okay? But it's not, it doesn't make any sense again. It's become its own word. So écoute donc, you couldn't replace it in a sentence by écoute donc, okay? It's become its own entity as a word. And what it means in this context is usually an interjection in a sentence that can express surprise or impatience or incomprehension, okay? And I think the equivalent would be like, you know, what the heck? What the heck, okay, in English? Let me give you an example in a sentence. So if you lost your keys, you'd say, where are my keys? What the heck, you know? So in French, you'd say, Coudon, sont où mes clés? Right? Coudon means, what the heck? Where are my keys? Coudon, okay? Another example, you know, you could be doing something on your computer and it's not working out and you're really frustrated. You would just say, Coudon là. So it just expresses resignation and a little bit of frustration in that sense, okay? It could be used by itself as a sentence, ben coudon là, okay? So that means, oh, what the heck? You're frustrated with what you're doing. And let's say you wanted to go outside, but you realize, oh no, it started raining and you can't go. So in French, you'd be, il pleut, ben coudon, on pourra pas aller se promener, okay? Il pleut, ben coudon, on pourra pas aller se promener, okay? Please note, the way I'm saying all these sentences is very informal, very conversational French, with lots of contractions. So these are not how you would write these sentences in an official document, okay? So, il pleut, ben coudon, on pourra pas aller se promener, okay? Does that make sense? All right, so that was the third one. The last one we're going to go over is faque. I did not say a bad word there, okay? It's actually a deformation of ça fait que. Ça fait que. And we just say faque, okay? So we can use these in 3 ways. The first way we would use it is as a consequence, action consequence. So, I'm tired, so I can't go to the restaurant. So the so here would be replaced by faque. So the way you would say it is, je suis fatigué, fait que j'irai pas au restaurant. Okay? Je suis fatigué, fait que j'irai pas au restaurant. So in this sense, we have because I'm tired, so fait que I can't go to the restaurant. Je suis fatigué, fait que j'irai pas au restaurant. Okay? That's the first way we can use it. So the second way you can use it is like as an intro to a sentence. In English, for example, if you wanted to say, so I was shopping yesterday and I ran into Julie. In French, it would be, fait que j'étais allée magasiner hier puis j'ai rencontré Julie. Okay? So fait que, fait que j'étais allée au magasin hier. So I went to the store yesterday et j'ai rencontré Julie. Okay? So that's the second way you can use it. The third way, be more as a conclusion in your sentence, okay? So if you said this long-winded story and then you're like, well, that's about it, that wraps it up, So you would say, fait que c'est ça, là, c'est tout, Fait que c'est tout. So that's it, that's all, Fait que c'est tout. Okay, so you would use it at the end of the sentence, at the end of your long, super interesting story. It'd be a way of wrapping it up, saying like, so that's it. Fait que c'est tout. Okay? So that's it for this lesson. I hope that answered your question on how to use Pantoute, Faque, Enwoye, Coudon. Okay? If you have any questions, don't be shy to write them in the comments below. I'll help you out. If you found this helpful, let me know. I can make more videos like this. There are a ton of French expressions like this, colloquial expressions. I just picked 4 of, I think, some of the really common ones, okay? Merci beaucoup les amis. À la prochaine.